Are you going to drink some water? Good job. Good thinking. Have some water. Have a drink. Do you want me to help you? You can have a drink. Have a drink of water. Put it in your hand like that. Like that, and then you drink. Drink another sip. Drink some more. Drink some more. Come. Drink a little bit more. He actually took a sip of water. That is awesome. Good, buddy. High five. That's good for drinking water when you're thirsty. Good thinking. Yeah. I'm going to sit down and relax a bit. Maybe I can talk to you guys a bit. We're resting now. Oh, and he sees his sister. He saw his sister. She's sitting somewhere on the school grounds. There she is. She's on her phone. Hey, you should be getting some exercise too. Do you want to go show Catherine your new playground? I don't want to sit down. No, we're going to go. You want to go show Catherine your playground, your swing. Do you want to go do that?
No.
Excuse me?
No.
Let's go show Catherine your playground. Come, Catherine.
No.
Let's go show Catherine your swing.
Hey. No.
So I really wish I could have Matthew in a more controlled environment to be able to have conversations with him, show you guys how much his speech has improved. I want to make sure when I upload videos of him, I want to really portray the reality of how he is. And look at that, balancing, that's good balancing. And not pretend, but tell you every little thing that you do with your autistic child. It might feel to you like it's a tireless exercise of getting them out and about, getting them. You can see things under there. What's in there? Out and about and getting them to explore the areas that they live in. But yeah, it's not always okay. Let's go to your playground. It doesn't always have to be going to a playground or a entertainment place. Matthew, I want to show you guys. This is. You go to Matthew, Catherine. You can go to him because I'm busy over here, and you can just check him out for a bit. This is Matthew's school.